Because of the flat front, specially angled corner brush, and wider dual rubber brushes, S9 Plus catches debris in tight corners way better than my round bots ever did. Pet hair tends to be pulled up even from thick rug edges next to skirting boards. However, the robot sometimes leaves a thin strip of dust exactly in the corner itself if the wall or baseboard is oddly shaped. Its brush doesn't reach every microscopically narrow gap. Also, rugs with long fringe can confuse the brushes or snag a bit. The maps it builds are accurate. After letting it scan for a couple of runs, the app shows rooms. You can name rooms, schedule, only clean kitchen plus hallway, etc. It also does recharge and resume when battery runs low mid-cleaning. On the flip side, camera-based mapping has a limit. In very low light, it slows more, hesitates in shadow, sometimes misidentifies obstacles. Also, unlike LiDAR-based robots I've used, its no-go zones aren't as precise when dealing with fine obstacles like thin cords.